Empaths possess a unique and profound ability to sense and understand the emotions and energies of those around them. This extraordinary sensitivity, while often perceived as a burden, can be harnessed as a powerful asset in the pursuit of financial success. The journey to utilizing empathic abilities for monetary gain involves a deep understanding of one's own nature, an alignment with higher vibrational energies, and the strategic application of empathic skills in various professional contexts. This video delves into the esoteric and philosophical aspects of this journey, providing a roadmap for empaths to transform their innate gifts into lucrative opportunities. Understanding empathic abilities. Empathy, in its purest form, is the ability to deeply connect with others' emotions and energies. Empaths often find themselves absorbing these emotions, sometimes to their detriment. However, this very ability can be the cornerstone of financial success if harnessed correctly. The first step is self-awareness. Empaths must recognize and accept their sensitivity, viewing it not as a weakness, but as a unique strength. This shift in perception is crucial as it lays the foundation for leveraging empathic abilities in the financial realm. Aligning with higher vibrational energies. Empaths operate on a higher vibrational frequency, naturally attuned to the subtleties of the emotional and energetic landscapes around them. To make more money, it is essential for empaths to maintain and elevate their vibrational state. This involves regular practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and energy cleansing. By staying grounded and centered, empaths can ensure that their energy remains positive and vibrant, attracting opportunities and abundance. Identifying niche markets. Empaths have an innate ability to understand the needs and desires of others, making them exceptionally suited for identifying niche markets. By tuning into their empathic insights, they can discern emerging trends and unmet needs within various industries. This intuitive understanding allows them to create products or services that resonate deeply with their target audience, leading to increased demand and financial success. Building authentic connections. One of the most potent assets empaths possess is their ability to forge genuine, meaningful connections. In the business world, relationships are often the key to success. Empaths can use their natural ability to connect on a deeper level to build a loyal customer base, establish strong partnerships, and create a supportive network. Authenticity and trust are invaluable currencies in any professional setting, and empaths are uniquely equipped to cultivate these qualities. Leveraging emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a critical skill in today's professional landscape, and empaths excel in this area. By leveraging their heightened emotional awareness, empaths can navigate complex social dynamics, manage conflicts, and foster a positive work environment. This makes them excellent leaders, negotiators, and team players, all of which can translate into financial benefits. Companies and clients value individuals who can bring harmony and understanding to the workplace, often rewarding them with promotions, raises, and lucrative opportunities. Intuitive decision-making. Empaths often possess a strong intuitive sense, which can be a powerful tool in decision-making. This intuition allows them to make choices that align with their higher purpose and long-term goals, rather than being swayed by short-term gains or external pressures. By trusting their gut feelings and inner guidance, empaths can make strategic decisions that lead to sustainable financial growth. Creating empath-friendly businesses. Another avenue for empaths to make more money is by creating businesses that cater to their strengths. Empath-friendly businesses prioritize compassion, creativity, and community, setting them apart in a competitive market. These businesses often attract like-minded individuals who value authenticity and connection, fostering a loyal customer base and thriving community. Whether it's a wellness center, a coaching practice, or a creative enterprise, empaths can build businesses that resonate with their core values and attract abundance. Using empathy in marketing. Marketing is all about understanding and connecting with your audience, making it a perfect domain for empaths. By tapping into their empathic abilities, they can create marketing campaigns that speak directly to the emotions and needs of their target market. Storytelling, personalized communication, and empathetic customer service are just a few strategies empaths can use to build strong brand loyalty and drive sales. Overcoming challenges. While empaths have many strengths, they also face unique challenges, such as energy drain and emotional overwhelm. To succeed financially, it's crucial for empaths to develop strategies for protecting their energy and setting boundaries. This might include regular self-care routines, seeking support from like-minded individuals, and learning to say no when necessary. By taking care of themselves, empaths can maintain their high vibrational state and continue to thrive financially. The role of self-awareness in financial success. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of harnessing empathic abilities for financial gain. Empaths need to understand their strengths and vulnerabilities, recognizing how their sensitivity impacts their interactions and decisions. This deep self-knowledge allows them to navigate the business world with confidence and clarity. Regular introspection and self-assessment can help empaths identify patterns in their behavior, enabling them to capitalize on their strengths and address their weaknesses. Empaths often struggle with self-doubt and imposter syndrome, feeling overwhelmed by the emotions they absorb from others. To overcome these challenges, it's crucial for empaths to cultivate a strong sense of self-worth and confidence in their abilities. Practices such as journaling, affirmations, and seeking feedback from trusted mentors can bolster their self-esteem and reinforce their belief in their capabilities. The power of positive energy. Maintaining a high vibrational state is essential for empaths to attract abundance and opportunities. Positive energy acts as a magnet, drawing success and prosperity into their lives. Empaths can elevate their vibrational state through various practices, including meditation, gratitude exercises, and energy healing. Surrounding themselves with positive, supportive people and environments also plays a crucial role in sustaining their energy levels. Negative emotions and stress can deplete an empath's energy, making it vital to develop coping mechanisms for managing these challenges. Techniques such as grounding, visualization, and energy protection can help empaths shield themselves from external negativity. By prioritizing their emotional and energetic well-being, empaths can ensure they remain in a state of flow, where opportunities for financial success naturally arise. Networking with a purpose. Networking is often perceived as a daunting task for empaths, who may find large social gatherings overwhelming. However, building a strong professional network is crucial for financial success. Empaths can approach networking with a purpose, focusing on forming deep, meaningful connections rather than superficial contacts. By seeking out like-minded individuals and communities that resonate with their values, empaths can create a supportive network that offers mutual benefits. Empaths can use their natural ability to connect on a deeper level to forge strong relationships with mentors, partners, and clients. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and resources, all of which contribute to financial growth. Networking with intention and authenticity allows empaths to build a solid foundation of trust and support within their professional sphere. Empathic leadership. Leadership is another area where empaths can excel and reap financial rewards. Empathic leaders are known for their ability to understand and motivate their teams, fostering a positive and productive work environment. By leveraging their emotional intelligence, empaths can create a culture of empathy and collaboration, leading to increased employee satisfaction and performance. Empathic leaders are also adept at navigating conflicts and resolving issues with compassion and fairness. Their ability to see multiple perspectives and address underlying emotional dynamics makes them effective problem solvers. Companies value leaders who can maintain harmony and drive success, often rewarding them with higher positions and compensation. The importance of continuous learning. In a rapidly changing world, continuous learning and personal development are key to staying competitive and achieving financial success. Empaths should seek out opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills, whether through formal education, workshops, or self-study. By staying informed about industry trends and advancements, empaths can position themselves as valuable assets in their field. Empaths can also benefit from learning about different aspects of business, such as marketing, finance, and management. This holistic understanding enables them to apply their empathic abilities in diverse contexts, creating new pathways for financial growth. The commitment to lifelong learning ensures that empaths remain adaptable and innovative, ready to seize opportunities as they arise, transforming passion into profit. Many empaths are driven by a deep sense of purpose and passion, often drawn to careers that allow them to help others and make a positive impact. By aligning their work with their passions, empaths can create fulfilling and lucrative career paths. Whether through entrepreneurship, creative endeavors, or service-oriented professions, empaths can channel their passion into profitable ventures. Identifying what truly inspires and motivates them is the first step. Empaths should reflect on their interests, values, and strengths, considering how these can be translated into a viable business or career. By combining their empathic abilities with their passions, empaths can create unique offerings that stand out in the market, attracting clients and customers who resonate with their mission. Leveraging digital platforms. In the digital age, empaths have unprecedented opportunities to reach a global audience and monetize their skills and knowledge. Digital platforms such as social media, online courses, and e-commerce websites provide empaths with the tools to share their expertise and connect with potential clients and customers. By building a strong online presence, empaths can expand their reach and generate multiple streams of income. Creating valuable content that showcases their empathic insights and abilities can attract followers and build a loyal community. Empaths can leverage their intuitive understanding of their audience's needs to create engaging and impactful content, whether through blogs, videos, podcasts, or webinars. By providing consistent value and fostering genuine connections, empaths can establish themselves as trusted authorities in their niche. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs about money and success can hinder empaths from reaching their full financial potential. Many empaths struggle with the idea of charging for their services or feel guilty about making money from their gifts. It's essential for empaths to reframe their mindset around money, recognizing that financial abundance is not only possible, but also a natural outcome of their valuable contributions. By shifting their perspective and embracing an abundance mindset, empaths can overcome these limiting beliefs. Affirmations, visualization, and working with a coach or mentor can help empaths develop a healthier relationship with money. Understanding that financial success allows them to have a greater impact and support themselves and others can motivate empaths to pursue their goals with confidence. Empaths possess a unique set of abilities that, when harnessed effectively, can lead to substantial financial success. By understanding and embracing their empathic nature, aligning with higher vibrational energies, building authentic connections, and leveraging their emotional intelligence, empaths can transform their gifts into profitable opportunities. The journey requires self-awareness, strategic planning, and a commitment to maintaining their energetic well-being. But the rewards are immense. Empaths can indeed use their abilities to make more money, creating a life of abundance, fulfillment, and purpose.